What's up guys, my name is Rock, founder and owner of Gymreapers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly size your lifting belt for your quick lock, and then how to put it on and get that secure fit that you need for the intra and abdominal support that you're looking for. When you're using the measuring tape to get the right size around for your belt, you're going to want to measure around your belly button. You do not want to use your pant size. Most of the returns we see are from people measuring their pant size and getting the wrong size belt. So once again, measure your core around your belly button, okay? When you're gonna put the quick lock on to get the secure fit, you'll just want to unravel it, obviously, get that Velcro loose and go around your core once again. Stick the Velcro piece through the quick locking mechanism, and you're going to come through this piece as well. And then you can pull tight to get the fit that you're looking for to ensure that you have the support you need when you squat. If you're interested in picking up a quick lock lifting belt, go ahead and check them out at gymreapers.com.